fun. I don't believe this.
Someone's gonna fall. Look at him.
It's okay. Brendan, you're gonna...
Defend your territory.
Come on, Lucas. Shove him. Shove him. Just careful the head on the dining table. What do you want? What do you want? What? Hey, don't beat Lucas. Don't beat Lucas. Lucas, come on. Look at him in the eye and push him back. Go on. Lucas, just look at him in the eye and push him back.
Okay, there.
Lucas, just look at him in the eye and push him back. I don't believe this. It's the first time I'm seeing this.
He's possessive of his toys.
What? That's not nice. That's not nice. No one's gonna come play with you. You have so many bites. You have so many bites. Why do you need to be on this one when you wanted to be on this one just now? Okay, Lucas. Lucas, you get a hippo now. You get a hippo now. Good job. Okay.
There. Come on. You can both ride.
The wheel is on his foot. No, Brendan.
You can push Lucas. You want to push Lucas? He's now lost interest.
Yeah.
Okay.